Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, one and only Forex Hero. Today, guys, I'll be revealing one of the most secrets that is not shared. So, make sure you pay close attention. But before I say anything, guys, you know what to do. Please click the like, click the subscribe, and the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop. Become part of the family, become part of the community. Forex Heroes is here to assist you. And make sure that you take down the notes. They don't want you to hear this. Make sure you join me into the chat. Let's go. Yo, guys, your favorite mentor is here. I have the name of Ofentse Ledwaba today. Guys, make sure you have your pen and paper. Don't miss this. Make sure, if you can, save this video, share it with the rest of the people. Today, you'll be able to trade like a pro. This way is the most profitable way that you make quick profit. Let's go. So, as you know, I like to take this and make it in a day-to-day scenario. We do know that, let's say if you have stairs, we all know that stairs will be in this manner, right? Yes, staircases. These are like staircases, right? So let's bring practical example into this. Let's say you are pushing up. Obviously, you go up and then you step here, right? You go up, you step here, right? You go up, you step here, right? Fine. So that you know, that's when you are what you are going in an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Let me do this uptrend. Staircases, right? So now let's look at the opposite of this. Okay. Uh, I'll do this. Right? This is the opposite. I have to shorten this because yes. Okay. Can do this. Yes. Perfect. Okay. This is what an uptrend. So now then another one. So now we are doing what? We are coming from the top. Obviously, coming from the top, and then you lift your leg over the top, you lift your leg, you go down. Yes, obviously, you go down. Right. This is a what? A downtrend. So now you have the scenario. So these stairs are your zones. You understand? These stairs are your zones. That's where you'll be able to get the support if you're pushing up, and then the resistance if you're going down. So now I'm gonna remove this. Oops. Let me remove everything because I want you guys to understand everything. Okay, fine. So now on this one, we can see, how do we see that we are in an uptrend? You can see higher highs are being broken and then respecting lower lows. Fine. So let me identify the staircases in this way. You can see we have this, right? We have this. We have this, right? We have this. So Now look what I'm gonna do. Look, up, down, up, down, and you go up again, down, and then you break, you go here. You could say we went to something like that. Let me make it a little bit simple. We pushed here, it came here, you see? Yeah, down. You see? So now we are back here at the staircase. You see what I'm talking about? So you can look at this in this manner and say, we are still what? In an uptrend, because we came here to test this staircase. But then not forgetting that we have this point of interaction. So this going up, we might be starting what? Because this also is a what? It's a staircase. Because here I believe we might be starting a new. If we respect this, then we know that we're gonna do what? Down. Something like this. Down. You see? If we respect this, so we're gonna have a new staircase, and then we'll be having what? Oops. A new staircases to the downside, like I explained to you. Oops. Come on, you. Like I explained, we have something like this. You see, now we are going, obviously, in a staircase, it will look something like this. Bing, bing, and obviously, bing. You see? So this is what we're looking for. So whenever you're trading, always remember the staircase theory. So this way we know that, okay, we are pushing to the upside, but how do you identify your staircases? Understand? And also you can make use of the Fibonacci to see your possible direction where your staircase is. You see, this one is 38.2 and 38.2 here. But let's look at this one. So can you see where the market came here? It was what? 78.6. 78.6. So pushed up, then came back here, you buy. Taking it where? To where it started. Then you put your. So remember, some of the trades you won't be able to catch them. So never feel a need that you have to take each and every trade. Do you see how this one possessed? But why we have an order block here, which is the last bearish candle, then there was no reason for you not to buy here. So you buy here, you put the stop loss here, and what? You take it all the way up. So another one that we should look at will be this one. Let's see. This is the last. So you see, when I say you can use your fee, so can you see we pushed from here and then we came back here, we touched, you understand? We touched here the 50% and we pushed up. So when you are having this kind of movements, you need to understand what you're looking for. So the going up and going down of the step theory is one of the best that you can apply. Many people don't know that it really assists. Let me go to the other one, because once the market decides that we are indeed pushing to the downside, we will push to the downside. Look at this one. then I come in here. You see? So can you see the last bullish candle here? When it came here, what did it do? You sell. You sell, you put your stop loss above it, 32 pips. Then you take it, your TP will be here. So can you see that it becomes easy once you understand? Because why? We went down, now we come in to test the stairs, then we go down, we test, we go down, we test, we go down. You understand? So it's as easy as that, guys. You need to apply the knowledge. You use this in a common day-to-day examples. Understand? When they say a resistance, and for example, if we say this is the supply, let me do this. This is the supply, and this is the what? The demand, right? This is supply, this is the demand. You know what you do? You can just simply say, put it in day-to-day examples. This is the ceiling, this is the ceiling, and this is the floor. Now, the market is coming up from the floor, being supported, coming here. Now it can no longer push upward. Then it starts to do what? It starts to push down back to the floor. You understand? This is how it goes, guys. So learn to put and bring everyday examples. From me, your favorite mentor. Be careful. This is one of the most important secrets that I've been keeping. So make sure you join me in the next video. Peace.